South Africans ni Sodoma ne Gomorrah. Anina inhliziyo aninanembeza ni nunu. Bathi ke kulungile siyethemba ukuthi nathi uzofika ngesikhathi kusasa sikwazi ukuthi sihambe sombeka esithembayo ukuthi uzokwazi ukubheka emuva le politiki abeyifundisa akwazi ukuyifafaza kubantu abathile ngokuthi baqondise uAfrican National Congress. Yabona into ezofanele iyekwe ukulokhu sikhalela abantu abamoshwa African National Congress. Kuzofanele sibe khona siulungise noma ke sesingasala sibe bangaki. Kodwa leadership
siyazi khona ukuthi kuningi abantu asebekushilo when it comes to kule emhlabeni kababa uNathi Mthethwa, you guys obe ambassador of South Africa to France. A lot have been said. Yona nto Thukutheli sibabheka icele lapha na you guys, but I see some people bethi bona uThukutheli sokuthi uyazi ukuthi bayeza kuye emva kokuthi ke ebalanda usibiya lapha nisolo. Ubaba ubheka icele uyazi ukuthi hayi usenkingeni. Uthethisa abantu batshela abantu bazi no. Bayisodoma neGomora. You guys, this clip is trending. I'm like, ukwatheleni babubheka icele bafowethu, hayi uthi South Africans ni Sodoma neGomora. Lokho kulandela inkulumo zabantu nje enkundleni zokuxhumana. Njengoba lokhu discusswa ke udlule emhlabeni kababa uNathi Mthethwa, abantu bethu akashonanga uyaphila. He's trying to run away from his crimes. Because he didn't want to testify kuMadlanga Commission at a committee. Ubalekela nje ukuthi uyazi ukuthi usenkingeni Mkhwanazi revealed this. Kuningi okushiwo ngaye manje ubona ukuthi ngcono azibulala. But some people were saying maybe baye bambulala ngoba besenzela ukuthi mhlambe ke ahambe nobufakazi anabo angase ke athi mayifika lapha na kuMadlanga Commission expose abantu abathile mhlambe ke basebamlandele France, and then they analyzed him there. There's a lot that has been said, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyikhona ukucasa ubabubheka icele ileyo ukuthi nje ukuthiwe ya ubalekela ke amacala wakhe akashonanga uyaphila. This is acted, this is this is a scripted, this is ntoni kuningi abantu abakushilo you guys. So yeah man, I think I did see somewhere where people are talking about ngoba manje ngibonile kuthiwa ke umzimba wakhe ngathi so ufikile kuleli ngibonile. I think there was a particular airport ngase King Shaka International Airport if I'm not mistaken. Umzimba kababa uNathi Mthethwa bebeuhlangabeza lapha na ke uphuma kwela seFrance ufika ke kuleli. There were people who are just saying ukuthi can isidumbu siye ngale ngase siyedlula ngaseMadlanga Commission. Guys, but ezinye izinto eke babubheka icele nje ngempela athi abantu zinono ngoba what do you mean isidumbu asiye eMadlanga Commission? Hayi guys ngeke. Hayi nono zangempela. Inono zangempela because how the hell do you even start typing ukuthi isidumbu asiye lapha siyo testify kuMadlanga Commission? Njani mntakabawo? I know a lot of people don't believe ukuthi ushonile. Mina nje ngeke ngithi ngibelieve you guys. I suspected ukuthi mangabe ushonile kungenzeka they unalived him due to mhlambe what he can expose when it comes to iMadlanga Commission. You know what I mean? But ukuthi ngempela kungathiwa akashonanga ngoba guys, like I'm just trying to think yonke nje ukuthi umuntu angashoni abe sezithi ushonile bese uyangcwatshwa bese okay umzimba wakhe mawuza njengalokho nje kuzeni mangabe mhlambe kune statue abasenzile. Like guys, some things don't make sense. Hayi like yini ezile from France to South Africa, yini nje lapha kulele kasi ngoba sibonile nje lapha na you guys mangabe imoto lezi ezimnyama kubizwa kuthini convoy and all that, right? Umefika lapha ngase King Shaka usho ukuthi mangabe ngempela sithi hayi akashonanga ngamanga wode siwatshela what is in that box. Hayi ngeke bafethe ezinye sizicabanga nami ngiyacabanga ukuthi bawubheka icele manje angifuni ukuthi ngithi une-point ngoba kusho ukuthi nami ngizobe sengi-insult abantu uthi nizinunu niSodoma neGomora. Hayi ngeke bafethu bawubheka icele uThukuthele manje abantu bayamngenela ke bathi inunu uwe inunu. Hey guys, if you go to the comments, I shame this world. A lot is happening nje kuningi people saying South Africa is a movie. Ukuningi, you guys, like ngapha abanye babizwa ngenunu, ngapha abantu bethi inunu iyo lesibhekile ekhulumayo into kanjalo namanga usaba ukuthi ngoba uyazi ukuthi bayeza nakuwe njengoba besuka nje kaSibiya because ibheka icelende matlala besibona nje khona ke that was recently revealed ukuthi ke ubaba ubheka icele wathumela i-account thizeni not under his name, wayithumela kaVusimuzi Khethi Matlala, and then Vusimuzi Matlala sent a proof of payment. So what was it for? So abantu bamxeka kuloko nje ukuthi buka le nunu esebenza nezigebengu ngabo Matlala and all the guys, like noma kumuntu omdala ngisuke ngisabe, you know what I mean. Ngiyakhuluma, yes, ngishare u-story mangabe vele sesiphandle njengalokhu nje sidiscuss izinto vele that are already out there, but makumuntu omdala and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele sometimes ngicommente ngizigadile because I like umuntu omdala angikwazi ukuthi ngimtshele ukuthi inunu uwe, you know what I mean. I can't do that into kanjalo, kodwa comment section, you know, like umuntu mangabe kungenele sazi ukuthi awumazi akakwazi awukuzumthile ukuthi awuzumthini. Hayi, people come for elderly, hayi, people come for the elderly. I'm like, guys, asehliseni umoya ngoba phela babebheka icele umuntu omdala, angiyalo ukuthi angisho ukuthi akekho corrupt, angisho ukuthi akekho corrupt nje bakubona nje ukuthi ngathi ama-transactions nabo Vusimuzi Khethi Matlala igebengu ezisemajele, you know what I mean. Remember kwathiwa ke he called him a lot of times uba ubheka icele, calling uVusimuzi Matlala before the day before azovuka eboshwe. So yonke leyo nto, you guys, mekwatini nje abantu bathi we awubheke nje uyazi ukuthi hayi they are coming for him, ukwate uzasibize ngenunu. Hayi kuningi guys okwenzekayo on social media, hayi ngeke she mangazi, you guys. That is why ubheka icele ethi ke abantu ke bafana neSodoma neGomora. I think laphana ubeka esekhaya ke ekanathi Mthethwa, something like that. So expressa ke his emotion when it comes to everything that has been said ngokudlula emhlabeni kababa Nathi. So mina kwami nje ngithi asihlonipheni bafowethu abantu abadala. Baba Nathi Mthethwa mangabe ukuthi ushonile, let us just rely on that information ukuthi uyaphila ngamanga kwathini okwamanye amazwe with a different identity. Asikwazi, we are just thinking out loud, but we are not sure, you know what I mean. Inhlonipho yona singayihambisa phambili ukuthi noma ke abantu abadala bemosha bephazama lapha nalapha, asithini kodwa masikhomenta phela sisho izinto guys kuzwakala ukuthi sikhuluma abantu abadala, because what do you mean uyinunu nje. Kodwa nguyothi abantu bazi inunu manje, hey bamnunuza bheka. I'm like, hayi andizingeni, but I'll report on it. But anyways, you guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungene ku video. Ngicela usho uvula ka comment section, like, subscribe, share. Asibonane kezayo. Bye.